So here's a quick video update showing you how to set up the large language model, just to explain what's happening. So you're going to download a large language model, which is going to be the one controlling all the conversations and generating the text, just like ChatGPT. So this instruction will help you download the large language model. If you followed the instruction on the page I sent you with the link to LM Studio, you should have now downloaded LM Studio and installed LM Studio. Again, we say LM Studio is free. It's free, available on the web. So once you get the LM Studio, you come to the magnifying glass here, click on it, and type in neural chat into the search box. Click go. It should come up with this set of items. We want the very first one that says the bloke / neural chat 7B version 3.1 GGUF. Once you click that one, you also now want to download the last. So that's just selecting, sorry, that's just selecting. So you now want to go to the right side here and go to the very bottom one. It should have Q8 at the beginning. We don't want any of these other ones. I mean, you could try them and they will sort of work to a degree of limitation if your computer is not too fast. If you have a very slow computer that's struggling, I would suggest download and try this very first one. But I prefer this one, which is the largest of this list. Still small enough, so it's just 7 GB size. So you click download. So once you click download, you have to wait for the whole thing to download. Once it's finished downloading, you will know if it's finished downloading because it will say downloaded, finished. It will say finished here. Once it's finished downloading, and you can see what I just did was I put my cursor at the bottom here, selected that line. Can you see? And that will pull up what's the models that have been downloaded. Okay. Right. So once you finish downloading, you click on this item here that has like 2 arrows pointing in opposite direction. And once you click on that, then you click on this top bar. It will give you the list of the LLMs that are available on your system, right? I've got about 4 at the moment that I'm just testing out. I think one of the good things of what's going to of this process is that once they improve the LLMs, we can install them and actually perhaps make things work better on our systems, right? So you select the LLM, and let me just eject the model from here and stop the server so I can show you the process. Let's select the LLM. It's going to load. And then you start the server. Yeah, so once you start the server, then you're good to go with the front end, which I would get to in a second. So once you have installed the LLM, started the server, all you just do is extract the content of the file that you downloaded from the email you got from me, and click on the LLM. It says private _ LLM.exe file. Once you click on it, it opens this file. So that file is not necessarily installing anything on your system, but it's just running on its own. So it's running on its own. So it's not adding anything to your system itself per se. But it's running on its own and then connected to LM Studio. So we've got a number of modules here that you can use. this is the chat module here, and this chat module just works a bit like chat GPT. You can ask it anything and just have a conversation with it in any way you want. So let's say, how are you today? And it's pretty, depending on your system, you'll find that it should be pretty fast enough. So what you're doing is you're actually chatting with the model we downloaded, the neural chat model. So all this front end does is gives you different ways of interacting with the model in a way to give you the content that you need for your silos. So yes, whilst you can write an article just using ask it to write an article, one of the things we know with the LLMs is that they don't do very good jobs at writing article straight off like that, and that's why we've designed a system to help it write an article. And with this system, it goes in a very good process of writing the article. And all just do is follow the prompts here, the instructions here. I'm going to be making a video specifically for each of these modules to help you understand how to use them. Yes. So this is just to help you get started and get started running the app. You can start experimenting, and you soon be getting some more videos explaining how you use the rest of the module. Okay, thank you.